Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So as you saw title and thumbnail, we got something pretty awesome in this box right here. But before we bust open this, I do want to go ahead and mention on my merch store right now, I'm back to doing giveaways. I know a lot of you guys are asking for it. And we got 2 giveaways going on because the Christmas is coming up. We got a red and green car we're giving away. We have a Cowabunga Volkswagen Beetle. And then we also have the Nissan Silvia here. It's a 2024 collector edition. Thing that looks absolutely amazing. Very similar quality to a Hot Wheel RLC. And then this is the actual RLC Beetle with a little pin. And it comes with the patch. But like I said, I'm giving these away to some of you guys. There's going to be a link in the description down below. Hop on there. It's my merch store, shopemptyparadise.com. For every $5 you guys spend on my website, you automatically get entered into both giveaways. So technically, you're kind of getting a double chance of winning. But also, not only am I doing the 2 giveaways, I'm also doing 10% off. It's Black Friday until the end of the year. So it's all of the rest of November and the rest of December. The giveaway does end on December 31st, 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. 10% off all the way until the end of the year. That's a very long time. So make sure you go check it out and get entered into the 2 giveaway cards. But let me go ahead and set these aside and get into the main part of this video, which is going to be super awesome. Let's go ahead and grab some scissors and cut this thing open. I know a lot of people weren't sure about this when it came out, and the price tag was a little hefty for what it is. So I know a lot of people were kind of turned off by that, but I have heard some good things about it, and I'm really curious to see how this is going to go. So let's go ahead and pull it out. So we have the Hot Wheel Elite. This is the Freightliner Cascadia. That thing, this box looks absolutely amazing. Man, look at that. It is a Hot Wheels transport semi. Man, look at this thing. And this box is enormous. Like, compared to, like, a regular Hot Wheel, yeah, that's a pretty big box. So I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like. This one does, unfortunately, have a little dent, but I am going to be opening this up. I'm really excited. So this was initially not really made for main Hot Wheels. It was made for the Elite 64, which, as you can see, a comparison is quite a bit bigger. More of the Elite 64, which are like replica vehicles. This thing does look pretty awesome. But let's go ahead and set these back aside, get the scissors back out, move this box, and let's cut this thing open. Alrighty. Man, I'm really curious to see how this is going to go. Alright. Ooh, okay, that's kind of an interesting way for a box to open up there. It doesn't really have like the standard flaps. It kind of opens like that. And then I guess there's a little handhold so you can pull this out. Man, this is kind of cool seeing an Elite 64 thing like this big. Okay, so it's got like a lid on it. There we go. Let's just set this box aside. Alright, so as you can see here, it is a really nice styrofoam box. This thing is kind of cool. You can see there's a lid. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we got some tissue paper. Alright, let's move this first. Wow. I'm not even going to really look at it too much first. I'm going to show you guys. Look at that. This thing looks absolutely incredible. And this is actually a scale model, so it is a 1/64th scale. And let's go ahead and compare it once again to like a regular Hot Wheel. Yeah, this thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and wow, seeing it for the first time is amazing. Wow, and there's a lot of metal on it too, and the rubber tires look incredible. And the tires are significantly bigger than like the standard Hot Wheels tires. So I'm not really too sure how to just get it out. I guess I'll just kind of start pulling it out here. I do want to be really careful because I don't know how delicate this thing is. Oh my gosh. The whole trailer is metal. Oh, it just disconnected. Okay. Wow, this is incredible. Is that like one piece? Okay, it's multiple pieces riveted together. That entire trailer is all metal. Like, this whole thing is really, really heavy. And wow, and that just slides right off of the main semi, which there's the semi itself. Has like that Hot Wheel logo, starts right there on the cab, and even has it on the other side as well. Kind of see it there, like that black on black look. Man, this thing looks so cool. I cannot describe how well in detail this thing is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Hot Wheels definitely outdid themselves with this one. And even the bottom looks kind of cool too. It's even like finished and looks really professional. The tires obviously have like the tread on them. They are a lot bigger, and when you compare it once again to a standard Hot Wheel, yeah, actually, there's the good comparison of the tires. This thing is absolutely massive. Let's hook the trailer back up. There we go. And wow, what do you guys think of this thing? And then the back little ramp drops down. Man, this is so cool. And since we did just have the Transformers cars, let's go ahead and bring those back for this video. And we will put them all on the transporter. And let's just go ahead and grab this one right here. Wow, man, I don't even know where to begin. Let me just start driving these on here. I mean, as you can see, they just go right up inside of here. And okay, so there is a ton of space on here. And I think the little Volkswagen Beetle is way too small. Stick the other one in here as well. So these are made for the Elite 64 cars, which are, like I said, quite a bit bigger. So, like the standard Hot Wheels kind of fit snug on there. And then we'll just set these right on here. And we got the Bugatti Veyron sitting right there. Wow, this thing is absolutely incredible. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can keep that all together. Look how cool that looks with the cars on there. Man, this is really, really cool. Like, I'm just kind of like in shock right now. And I'm honestly not too sure what else to do with this. Like, this is a really cool, really awesome, I don't want to just say like display piece, because it's all metal. You could probably even, like, a kid could probably play with this, which I would not recommend. But the quality of this is outstanding. Like I said, it's all metal in the front. The whole frame in the main semi is metal. The entire trailer is all metal, except the little ramp on the back I did notice is plastic. But the rest of it is all metal, which is absolutely incredible. Man, and just like the little details as well. So whenever you look at like the real ones that have like the hydraulics and stuff, it has those on there, even like on the back as well. And that's kind of like the track that the cars would kind of roll on. It even does have like the little nubs right here, so that you can have the cars. There's some more right there as well, so they don't like slide off and roll around. Man, this thing is incredible. And there's the bottom if you guys were curious about that as well. Man, this is literally a $50 Hot Wheel, and it is insane. Double the price of a Hot Wheel RLC, but as you can see, there's a lot to it, and this thing, I would say, is definitely worth like what the cost is. They did put a lot of time and effort into this, a lot of work, and the quality is outstanding. Man, and then there's the main semi again, if you guys want to see that. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. I absolutely love it. Like, I didn't think it was going to be like something I'd really want. I was like, well, I'll just kind of get it, see what the hype's about, and kind of see if it's worth it. We go ahead and put that Elite 64 truck on there, which looks really cool. We even set it there as well. Man, this is crazy. Hot Wheels definitely outdid themselves with this one, and I'm blown away by it. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. But also, like I said, don't forget, I am doing the giveaway. Check out my merch store, shopmtparadise.com. But if you guys want to see more videos like this and other Hot Wheel videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.